Sets to an nightly skincare. Hey guys, it's Em here, and today I am super excited because I get to give you a sneak peek of what's inside your October Beauty Loop boxes. Plus, make sure you keep watching to find out how you could win $1,000 worth of product in our mystery box prize. First up, Level 1 Beauty Loop Box. In this one, you may receive a Too Faced melted lipstick in the colour Sellout. So this one is a beautiful wearable shade. I like it for every day because it's long wearing, you don't have to reapply. And it goes on like a bit of a gloss and then sets to a beautiful opaque matte finish. Up next, the Kate Somerville Cold Cream. This is a fantastic product to use at the end of the night when you really can't be bothered taking your makeup off, but you know you should. It will remove every last trace and leave your skin feeling nice and hydrated and fresh. And now it's time for the Level 2 Beauty Loop Box. In this one, you could receive the Lancôme Advanced Génifique Youth Activator. This serum is great. It's going to help with firmness, elasticity, and diminish fine lines and wrinkles, and it's going to keep your skin looking really radiant. So you can apply this one all over the face before your moisturizer, morning or night. Up next, you might receive the NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment in the shade Starwoman. This is going to be your new favorite party shade. Look at that, the brightest red. Honestly, it's the best. And it's packed with pigment. It's got a beautiful, comfortable matte finish. You can't go wrong with it. I love it so much, I'm gonna put it on right now. And the great thing with this one is the really precise applicator means you don't need to use a lip liner with it. And last but not least, the Level 3 Beauty Loop Box. In this one, you could score the amazing Hourglass Caution Mascara. This mascara is sure to become your new favorite as soon as you apply it to your lashes. I've got it on today and I love how dramatic and long my lashes look when it's on. Level 3s could also receive the Amore Pacific Vintage Single Extract Essence. Amore Pacific is a Korean skincare brand that just launched at MECCA, which is super exciting because their entire range is infused with antioxidant-rich green tea, including the essence. You can use this one after you've cleansed, before you moisturize, and you'll experience beautiful, soft, replenished skin. I've heard incredible things about this product and I can't wait to incorporate it into my nightly skincare routine. Have you guys heard of Sol de Janeiro's Bum Bum Cream? It's actually pronounced Boom Boom, but that's not nearly as fun. If you haven't, you need to get around this ASAP. When it launched at MECCA, it sold out almost immediately, and there's a reason for that. 1, it smells like a tropical holiday. 2, it's infused with guarana and coffee, and what that means for your bum bum is perky skin. If you're a Level 3 member, you may receive one of these and you're gonna love it. I hope you guys are excited for this month's Beauty Loop Boxes to launch. Make sure you head in-store or shop online from October 24th. They're available while stocks last. And of course, we can't forget about the mystery box prize with over $1,000 worth of product in it. For your chance to win this, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment your Instagram handle below, and we'll get in touch if you're the lucky winner. Good luck!